How to schedule an event in Google Calendar. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, staying organized is key to managing our time effectively. Google Calendar provides an intuitive platform for scheduling events, meetings, and activities. Whether you're planning a social gathering, a work meeting, or simply want to set reminders for important tasks, Google Calendar has got you covered. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to create an event in Google Calendar, ensuring that you stay on top of your schedule with ease. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Once you're on the Google Calendar homepage, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a list of your calendars. Choose the one where you want to create the event. Now let's create a new event. You can do this by clicking on the Create button on the left-hand side or directly on the date on the calendar. A pop-up window will appear. Here you can add the event details. Start by entering the event name. Choose the date and time. Just uncheck All Day to specify a time. If your event is recurring, you can set the repeat options. This is handy for things like weekly meetings or monthly reminders. If you're planning a group event, you can invite guests. Just enter their email addresses in the guests section. They'll receive an invitation, and the event will be added to their calendars if they accept. Next, add the event's location if applicable. If there's any additional information, you can include it in the description field. To make sure you don't forget about your event, you should set up notifications. Click on your calendar name to view more options. Select Add Notification and choose when you want to be reminded. You can also set the visibility of your event depending on who you want to have access to the event details. Once you've filled in all the details, click Save and your event is now created. You can always go back and edit the event by clicking on it in your calendar. And there you have it. Creating an event in Google Calendar is a simple yet powerful way to stay organized and manage your time effectively. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.